dog bones. This is Max. He has saved a lot of bones. He is proud of his collection. One day, Max runs about a contest. The contest is for the biggest bones. He thinks he can win. Max needs to dig up all of his bones. Where did he bury them? He sniff and sniff and sniff. Max starts to dig. He finds a round ball, but no bones. Where did he bury them? Max was to another search and dig. Now he found a whole bunch of bones. Here are so many. How were the find to the biggest one? Max started to sort the bones. There are small. Say Max, I will put them in a pile.